Okay, I like to challenge myself. So I love to see how many variations of pieces that I can create. So I'm just looking on my fall wall here at the show, and we're gonna see how many variations of fall I have created. So this is Dusty Fall, and there's Into the Fall. And this one is Todd's Trunks, and then this is Autumn Spice, Maple Fall, Aspen Deep. This is Fall Sky. This is, what is that one? Into the Fall, I think that's another Into the Fall. This is a Maple Fall. And then I have this little guy right here that's actually for the drawing. That's another fall variation. Here is another fall trees. This is a fall for the geometric. And then I have another one for the postcard. And this is just what I have at the show, which is just kind of a fun thing to go through and see how many variations of each season that I have. Oh, here's another one. Don't forget that guy. Hope you had fun watching.